What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KaeDaGreat coming at y'all with a long-awaited hair tutorial. I know it's been a while since I dropped one of these. This is the new and improved curly man bun tutorial. So for this video, you're gonna need some water to moisturize your hair. You're gonna need a bristle brush, a hard bristle brush. You're gonna need a do-rag and a bandana or a silk wrap to lay your hair down. You're gonna need a leave-in conditioner and a cream of your choice. And you're gonna need a gel of your choice. For this video, I'm using my Uncle Funky's Daughter products. I'm using my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator as my gel. And you're gonna need a shoelace to give your hair that custom hold. You wanna have that pineapple look. So, for starters, you're gonna go ahead and spritz your hair with water. Make sure you saturate your hair with water before you're manipulating it. This is gonna prevent breakage. And you also want your hair to be slightly moisturized. Water is the most moisturizing substance on the planet, so you can never go wrong with water. Next, you're gonna go in with your leave-in conditioner. For this video, I'm using my Thirsty Curls by Uncle Funky's Daughter. This is a leave-in conditioner in a spray form, and I feel like it's very lightweight and it works well with this style. So go ahead and spray that throughout your hair and evenly distribute it with your fingers. Next, you want to go in with your cream. For this video, I'm using my Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream by Uncle Funky's Daughter. This smells good and it's very moisturizing, but like I said, use a cream of your choice and a leave-in of your choice. So what I'm doing here is evenly distributing this cream throughout my hair. It takes a little while, and while I'm doing this, I'm just making sure that I'm getting out any dead hairs or any loose hairs that may just be lingering in my hair. And I'm trying to make my hair as big as possible, because when I put my hair up in the pineapple bun, I want it to look as big as possible. Next, you want to go in with the gel of your choice. For this video, I'm using my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator by Uncle Funky's Daughter. As y'all know, I preach Wetline Extreme Gel, but I've been using this as of lately as my gel, and it's very viscous, as you can see. And it gives my hair a very good hold, and it's very lightweight, and it smells good, and it's also kind of moisturizing. So I've been using this as my gel lately, and it works pretty good. And you may see some white right here, but trust me, it rubs in very fast. It distributes very evenly, and it's a very good product, and I recommend it highly. So what I'm doing here with my hands is smoothing that quote-unquote gel throughout the perimeter and the base of my hair, because I want to lay my hair down and I want it to be as smooth as possible. But it won't get smoother until I brush it down, which is what I'm going to do in this next step. So for this next step, you want to take a hard bristle brush and you want to brush your hair down. Not too far up though. You don't want to brush all the way up. You just want to brush to that point where the bun is going to be sitting. So it would be probably the middle of your head or the crown of your head. And you want to go all the way around and just brush your hair up. Next, you want to take a black shoelace, because if you use a white shoelace, it's going to show up out your hair. You want to take this black shoelace and place it on the base of the back of your head. So it's going to be right here, right where your ear connects to your face. So what you want to do is make sure the shoelaces are even in length. You want to meet them in the front. You want to adjust that shoelace a little bit higher so that your bun can sit higher. You want it to sit at the top of your head, not the back. So you want to cross it in the front, right? Tighten it a little bit, as you can see I'm doing here. You can see that the bun is moving around. This is me giving my hair that custom hold, that custom placement. You want to cross it in the back, and then you're going to tie it in the back to secure that shoelace in and to secure that bun in place. It will not move unless you mess with it. As you can see, I'm moving the bun to my liking. Then you just want to keep adjusting it. Make sure you have a mirror on deck, because you're going to have to look at yourself in the mirror. Then you're going to keep crossing the laces across each other, and then you're going to tie them underneath each other. Eventually you're going to tuck them underneath. So watch what I do. I take the shoelace, don't lose it, take the shoelace, cross it, and then you want to tuck the shoelaces wherever the shoelace ends, either in the front of your head or the back of your head. Everyone's head shape is different, everyone's hair length is different. So what you want to do is tuck it in, use your hands and your fingers to just make that puff look as big as possible. And after you're certain that shoelace is in place, you want to take any loose or hanging hairs that are just isolated by themselves, and you want to tuck it underneath the rest of that shoelace, because you don't want the bun to look too messy. Even though you want the bun to look natural and not too neat, you also don't want it to look messy. You want it to have some type of form or some type of structure, as you can see mine has. I'm tucking away any loose hairs that I see. And as you can see, my puff looks pretty big, but it can be bigger. So stick with me and I'll show you how to make that bigger. At this point, I was pretty frustrated because my camera kept cutting out. I was running out of storage, man. Every time you update an iPhone, the phone just gets worse and worse. But anyways, after you're done setting that bun in, you want to go ahead and take some more gel and apply it to the perimeter of your hair. Next, you want to take your brush and smooth your hair down. Be careful not to run this brush through your puffer. It's going to create frizz. Next, you want to take your do-rag or your silk wrap and you want to lay this over the front of your head. I used to use a bandana on the front of my hair, but I found that cotton products absorb too much product, too much moisture, and your hair doesn't look as smooth and as shiny once you take it off and you're ready to rock it. So what you want to do is cross it in the front, cross it in the back, and then tie it in the back, simple. Then you want to take your bandana and use this on this small part in the back of your head. You can still use the bandana for the back, but I highly recommend you use another do-rag or silk wrap. Next step will be to make that puff look as big as possible. So I'm using my Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Rain leave-in conditioner. This is another lightweight leave-in conditioner that Uncle Funky's Daughter makes. So what I'm doing here is just lifting my hair up. I'm going in a lifting motion. I'm not really picking it out with my fingers. I'm more so lifting it, which is what I'm about to do with this double layer pick that I have. I got this from Walmart. It's a Cantu pick. So what I'm doing is lifting my hair up. I'm not picking it out. I'm lifting it out, trying to make it look as big as possible, but still keep some curl definition and volume. After we've done all of the prep work we need to do, we're going to go ahead and leave these on for about 10 to 15 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and be new to the channel. This is Crème. We wait, road to 2K. Alright, YouTube. I'm out.